What is good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing these nails that I did for my last 100 subscriber giveaway. These are Cinnamoroll and Pompompurin nails. So cute. We have so much to get through, so we're just gonna jump right in. I'm starting off by sculpting Cinnamoroll with some sculpture gel. This is sculpture gel from Yoyoge. And it took me quite a while to make these characters. Very tedious, but very fun. I really love doing this. And these tools that I'm using, these silicone tools, were so helpful. I'm so glad that I got them because it just makes sculpting so much easier. I don't know why I didn't get them before. I sped this up really fast because I was working pretty slow while doing these. I really took my time, and I'm such a perfectionist that I just kept like staring at them before curing to make sure that they were done right. One thing I want to say that was really helpful with using these tools was alcohol. So like smoothing out any imperfections and stuff, like alcohol will do that for you. It will also wipe away kind of like the residue that's on the nail from the sculpture gel. You really need to do that before you cure. I was super inspired by this Korean nail artist on Instagram who does lots of Sanrio sculpture gel figures and lots of like sweets and stuff like that. She's super talented, and I'm just so obsessed with her work. I think it's some of the cutest nails I've ever seen in my life, and I want them so bad. So I kind of took inspiration from how she does Cinnamoroll and Pompompurin. I'm gonna say Purin because that's a mouthful of words. I'll put up some pictures of what they look like. So cute. I love them. And now I can finally say that I did not upload last week. My bad. But we here now. You know, sometimes life is rough, but I had this video recorded already. I just like never touched it. I never edited it. But now it's here. Now I'm doing, who's this? I actually don't know the name of this character, and I don't even know what kind of animal it is. At first I thought it was a cat. Now I think it's a hamster. I still haven't googled it. I've googled pictures. Don't know what animal it is. And it's funny because when I was doing the ears, I'm like, yep, these are cat ears. So they look kind of triangular at first, but I actually smoothed out the top because I don't think it's a cat. It just has a cat smile. If you've been watching my videos, you probably already know how I made these hearts. I made these with a mold long time ago. I actually had to make more molds of it because I liked it so much, and I'll link all the glitters that I put in there, all that in the description box. I love making these hearts. I'm never gonna stop making them, and I'm actually putting them in like a press-on set that I'm gonna put in my shop when it reopens. I just love them that much. But yeah, I'm attaching these with acrylic so that they don't come off. And oh my goodness, we're hand painting Cinna's face. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I successfully did this and like didn't throw anything or like didn't get upset. Like it was actually, I did this fairly easily. The one thing that I don't show is how I go over like the mouth in these. Like I had to go over it because it wasn't dark enough. So for on this one and on Cinna, like I went over it, you know, typical stuff that happens with hand painting. I end up going over it and I don't show that. But yeah, this bear, also do not know the name of this bear, but this bear had like a Rilakkuma kind of face, which I thought was really cute. There's a lot of different ways that this bear looked on Google, so I just chose, I kind of mixed up versions of it. Anyway, here's the hamster question mark. I don't know. A lot of these colors were hand mixed. This color was mixed with like 2 different browns. So I'll just, you know, everything will be in the description box. Don't even worry about it. Okay, now we are doing the nails with the food. So this is cinnamon rolls for Cinnamoroll. I saw pictures of cinnamon rolls with pink icing, and I was like, oh yeah, like we're doing that. So for this color of sculpture gel, I mixed some brown, a peach color, and yellow. And I'm just rolling it up like a cinnamon roll. I mean, this was the easiest thing to do. This was easier than the pancakes. So yeah, and then I cure that, and for the icing I mixed jelly pink and the same pink that's actually on the stiletto nail for Cinnamoroll's hand, the set. So that's how I got that icing color. So to fill up some space on the nail, I'm putting on some hearts. These are from Miniature Sweet HK. I always say that wrong. I say like HK Miniature Sweet, but I think it's Miniature Sweet HK. But like I still feel like I'm wrong. And then the whipped cream dollops are made by me with a little mold. If you know, you know. Like I've used that 3 times now, maybe 4, I don't know, but I always use the same stuff. And the pancakes for Purine, again, this was also inspired by the nail artist I was talking about earlier. I'll show you guys what I was inspired by. So freaking cute. I love it. This is like the stuff that I would have lived for if I knew about nail art when I was making stuff with polymer clay in elementary school / middle school. I think I really needed to see nail art like that. But it's fine, you know, there's always a time for it, and that just wasn't my time. My time is now. Oh, and I didn't get to explain the reason why I filed those and buffed them is to make the surface smooth. Sometimes when you're using sculpture gel, like with fingerprints and like smushing, like it won't be like perfectly flat, and I just wanted those to be perfectly flat. I actually buffed Cinna's face too. It just helps smoothing everything out, makes it look really clean and nice, so I highly recommend you do that for anything that you're sculpting. And oh my gosh, putting the syrup on these, so freaking fun, so satisfying. It's just like the little things about this set that made me really happy. Yeah, I mean, I would do this for the rest of my life. Just put syrup on fake pancakes all day, every day. These chocolate whipped cream dollops were miraculously made with tinted monomer and a cover blush by, what is it? JC Beauty Cosmetics. Is it JC Beauty Cosmetics? Girl. Concepts, Cosmetics. This is not makeup. This is acrylic nails. Wow, I can't believe I just said that. Yeah, I had to tint the monomer and the white wasn't looking chocolate enough for me. So then I was like, okay, maybe a nude will work, and it did. So there you go. If you don't have brown acrylic, use nude and tint your monomer with gel polish. And I think I used this color that I'm using, or that I'm making the drips with, to tint my monomer. And it's tough. No, I don't know. Girl, description. Check there. Everything's there. Yeah, I love doing drips. I absolutely love doing drips. And these dotting tools are actually the opposite end of the silicone tools. So these really came in handy. I love doing drips. Look how perfect. It's just, I mean, again, something I could do for the rest of my life. I actually ended up like redoing the chocolate ones twice though. I'm a perfectionist. It didn't look right to me. The middle one, if the middle one is bad, you have to throw it all away. Like the middle one is what makes the drip. Then the other ones are like, okay, like those are small, like you can do that. But the middle one, it has to be perfect. The pink ones are my favorite. Anyway, talking too much. Let's move on.
Here we go.
We love the mini flashy. Again, I'm going to emphasize this. Make sure you buff the back of your plastic cabochons so that they don't come off. Please, I'm begging you. You can pull them off so easily if you don't do that. Also, buff the surface of whatever you're putting it on. I can't stress this enough. Please, I'm begging you to do that. And get a mini flashy as well. And I'm putting extra gel in there so that it's extra strong hold. No hair's gonna, you know, slip in there, and nothing like that's gonna happen. And yep, you know, good stuff.
Yeah. Hey. Get 'em. Hey. Yeah. Hey. Get 'em. Hey. Yeah.
Donkey donkey. いただきます。おール様おいしい。どういたしまして。ほいほいほいほいほい。餌付け？おー、おいしそう。いただきます。
Let's top coat. Only showing you one nail because, you know, you get it. You just top coat, and I'm top coating very thoroughly to make sure everything is sealed, especially the sculpture gel. And you know what I forgot? I forgot to tell y'all that my middle finger and my thumb were looking a little crazy. If you follow me on TikTok, you knew that my nail broke, my middle finger, and then my thumb was already like messed up. But anyway, look how cute. It's so shiny, so cute. I just want to eat them. I mean, don't you just want to eat it? I don't know what I'm talking about right now. I just want to eat it. I'm really thinking about putting these in my shop some way, somehow. I don't know. I really need to think about it because I think they're so cute, but I don't want them to be too expensive. So I'm going to be plotting. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload next week. Bye-bye.